Sa North York, Ontario, isang fundraiser para sa Canadian Bobsleigh Team Biyernes. Kabilang sa grupo ang Filipino-Canadian na si Cesar de Guzman. Ani de Guzman, rugby raw ang una niyang nakahiligang sport habang nag-aaral sa universidad. Subalit hindi raw siya masyadong nakalaro noong pandemya.
From there, I didn't know what I wanted to do after because COVID took my last year of rugby from like university because there wasn't any leagues and we couldn't play. So when I graduated, I felt like there was still something I wanted to accomplish. So I trained for a year and then I found the recruitment camp for Bobsleigh Canada and I went to it in Calgary and then I found my way onto a bobsleigh team and I made Team Canada my first year.
Pinanganak at lumaki rito sa Canada, winter sports daw talaga ang nakahiligan ni de Guzman, maliit pa lang siya. Anya akma ang kanyang katawan, pati na ang training sa pagtakbo sa bobsled. Co-founder ng Fair Sports Canada rin si de Guzman. Layo daw nilang tanggalin ang mga hadlang at gumawa ng paraan para sa mga kabataang nais lumahok sa recreational at competitive sports.
Sports in Canada is heavily underfunded. A lot of us are trying to find jobs, trying to find employment, and we have to leave during the season for 6 months. So a lot of us are trying to find work, trying to find ways to fundraise. A lot of us are relying on the support of our friends and our families to help pursue our sport endeavors.
Sa gitna nito, patuloy daw ang kanyang pagpupursige, lalo't inspirasyon niya raw ang kanyang pamilya at ang kanyang amang isang kidney disease survivor.
When I was in grade 11, my dad was diagnosed with kidney failure. So a lot of things changed for me and my mom. And the year before I graduated, he received a kidney from a donor. And that's been a gift. It's allowed me to pursue sport since then. And yeah, that's kind of like my biggest motivator of like just trying to find where like how high I can go, what I can achieve with the gift I was given.
Magaganap sa Milan at Cortina, Italy ang Winter Olympics sa February 2026.